How to fix TikTok direct messages option not showing. In this video, I will show you how to fix TikTok direct messages option not showing. First, open or launch the TikTok mobile application. You will land on the homepage of the app, just like you can see here. After that, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your TikTok account, just like you can see here. From there, tap on the menu icon. It is this icon with the hamburger symbol. A menu with several options appears as you can see here. From the options that are here, tap on this one here named Settings and Privacy. This is the Settings and Privacy page of TikTok where you can manage and make changes to the settings of your account. From the options that are here, scroll down. Continue scrolling until you reach this section named Cache and Cellular. Under the section, there are several options. From the options that are here, tap this one named Free Up Space. What you have to do now is clear the cache and the downloads, as this may be having some corrupt files or they may be making the app to now work well. After that, exit the app and open the settings of the phone. Next, search for TikTok on the settings, and when the TikTok app appears, tap on it. You will land on the app info page of TikTok. On the page, there's several different options. From the options, we need this one named Permissions. Here it is, tap on it. Make sure you have given the app all the required permissions for it to work properly. After that, also check the app storage by tapping here. Make sure you clear the cache from here too, as this will free up more space and the app will run smoothly and function well. Next, exit the settings and go to the Play Store or App Store depending on the device you are using. After that, search for TikTok and check if the TikTok app needs to be updated and update it. This will ensure you get all the latest plus missing features, including the direct messages feature. Now back to TikTok and check if the feature is now appearing. If it is still missing after doing all that, then go to the profile section of the app and tap on the menu. The menu expands to reveal more options, as you can see. From the options that are here, tap on this one here named Settings and Privacy. This is the Settings and Privacy page of TikTok where you will see the settings of the app. Next, scroll down. Continue scrolling until you reach this section named Support and About. Under the section, there are several options. From the options, tap on this one here named Report a Problem. This is the page where you will see all these different options that you can use to report different issues you are facing on TikTok. From the options that are here, tap on this one named Interactions. You will see all these different interactions. From the options that are here, tap on the one named Direct Message. Kindly wait for the page to finish loading. After that, you will see all these sections here that are trying to suggest to you the issue you may be facing. Tap on the top option here. After that, you will see this other option here. You read the instructions here if you want. Next, tap on the dislike button. After that, tap here, Need More Help. Finally, you will land on this page where you will see this text box that you have to type a message asking TikTok to fix the issue. Make sure you explain to them clearly. You can also copy what I have typed here. Finally, send the message to TikTok by tapping here. The message will be sent to TikTok support team. They will respond to you with a solution. Give them time. That is how to fix TikTok direct messages option not showing.